Namaskar and welcome back to Linux Fundamentals. In this video we will see the next utility command, that is type. Type command is used to display or find the information about a Linux command. So if you want to know the information about the Linux command, like where the command is or in which folder or in which path or what is the path of the command, so we use the type command to view the path of the command. So the type command comes with three options. So -t shows you the type of the file, that is whether it is alias, a file, or it is in a built-in command. -p shows you the path of the command, in which directory the command lies, and -a shows you all the information that is available about the command. So let's see how to use the type command and let's jump to the demonstration. So you can see the manual about the type command. So let's see how the type command can be used. Say for example we want to check the type of cal. So what is the cal? So if you simply type the type command, it shows you the path of cal command. If you use the option T and the command name, it shows you that it is a file. Then you can also use the -p to display the path of the command, and when you use -a, it shows you the path, the entire path, or wherever the file the command is located. So you can see it shows you two path. In this path the file cal is located, or the command cal is located. So let's have a look at some other command like ls. So now here you can see the ls command is an alias. So it shows you that it is an alias to ls, and the color that is specified for ls, and it also shows you the path for ls. So ls is in usr bin, and that is the file name, and bin again it is in bin ls. So this is how the type command gives you the information about any particular command. So you can type any command and see what is the information about that particular command, so along with the type and the command name. So this is how we use the type command to get the information about the command, to check what is the path of the command. So many a times we need to know the path of the command while we are running the commands. So for various reasons we may require the path of the command. So this is how we use the type command in Linux. Thanks for watching the video. If you have liked the video, please click on the like button and share your views and suggestions with us by writing in the comment section below, and encourage us by subscribing to our channel, and please do not forget to click on the alert bell so that you don't miss our upcoming videos on our channel. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care, stay safe. Thank you.